Why is it that we have so much fun when somebody makes a mistake? We kind of stare and you look at it and you kind of work from there. And in U.S. coins, we kind of go back to the first, right? The 1883 no-cent nickel. I mean, come on, you're making a coin and forget to put the word cents on it? It's like buying a car and they have no tires. It's like, what are you doing? But that wasn't the first major error. It happened actually a couple of years earlier, and it happened in the series that is the most popular collectible coin today, the Morgan dollars. Do you know where I'm going? It's first year, it's 1878, and here we go. 7/8, the error. Fun coin. And the word strong matters. And you're going to be able to figure out what that is in a matter of seconds. I'm not going to go there yet. But look at the price. We're at $249.95. When have we not been at $300 to $350 in the last 6 to 9 months? Over the last 2 months, Grant has found a couple of great deals. We've saved them, put them together for this 7 or 8 minute talk, and they'll be gone. Because the coin and the quality stand out. But right there at the bottom, you'll have the tail feathers as you see it, right? You notice the bottom has a couple kind of hanging chads. I guess bad comment for political season, but that's kind of what we're looking at here. Guys, bring out the graphic. It's probably even easier to see, and the graphic will come with the coin. When the coin was first introduced in 1878, we screwed it up. We put 8 tail feathers. Eagles are only odd tail feathers, so it should be a 7. So we replaced it later on. All the S's, all the D's, all the O's, all the CC's are 7s. There's 1 8. But while we were correcting the die to 7, they took and punched 7/8 on a couple of dies to get production going. And you see that right in the middle. You see those 3 little tail feathers sticking out. If you can see them with the naked eye, and it's obvious, it's called strong. Those are the first couple of coins off of one of these repunched dies. They also call them weak. And that is, you need a 10 power, and you can see it's there because you can see the impression, but it's not just obvious like this one is. Guys, let's go back to the coins. So we're talking about first year Morgan dollars. We're talking about the first error in the program, and it's the beautiful 7/8. It also happens to be the rarest of the first year coins. Year number 1, 3 mints struck the coin. We have Philadelphia, the coin of this nature. We have San Francisco, the West Coast Mint. And then we have the beautiful Carson City with only 2.2 million made. The fabled CC. If you look at how many coins have been seen by NGC, just one of the grading services, but it hones in on what you are and what you're not seeing. Right? The 78S is over 50,000. The 78CC is over 30,000. Right? The 7 tail feather, the corrected Philadelphia, is 26,000. The 8 tail feather, the unique, one of a kind, only the first, 15,000 and change. But strong 7/8s, under 7,000 coins are known to exist. So it tells you outright the real gem of year 1, even though the 8 tail feather is exciting, is really the error of the 7/8, but you got to get it strong. You got to get it where it's obvious and you can see it, right? That's the fun of this coin. Now, you're noticing these are gorgeous uncirculated, as it says on the graphic. You know that because you look at the reverse, the concave convex issue where the tail feather, where the breast feathers look a little bit funky on year 1 coins. And it's because early coins were sunk in versus more holding your chest out, being a little bit more proud, right? But you can see the great detail here, even with that concave approach. But the real deal here is the 7/8, obvious to the naked eye. And to make it even sweeter tonight, our normal $299.95, which is $200 under our competition, has been lightened by $50 here. They approved this as one of tonight only specials. We have them every hour. And it's not, okay, what do we have the most in inventory? Let's move a few. It's They just randomly pick some of the best stuff we have in the show. Again, almost 60 items tonight, and we're picking this coin, the first Morgan dollar error, the strong 7/8, beautiful uncirculated coins, as you can see here, and we're at $249.95. Wow. Love it. Outright love it. Let's go to that graphic one more time. So when we started the Morgan dollar series, again, we had an 8-tail feather, only one from Philadelphia. And somebody said, hold it, this is wrong. So it's our big silver dollar for the first time, the largest coin in circulation, and we make a faux pas. So we fix it. We make a 7-tail feather. Now everybody else joins in, so there's one 8-tail feather Philadelphia. In the process of fixing this situation, we kind of cheated. We took a short corner. We overpunched. 7 over the 8-tail feather dies we were already using. They're not broken, so why not? I understand the frugality of it all. It works. But it created that overlap for the middle 3 tail feathers. Special. Guys, let's go back to the coin one more time. Guys, let's put that 30-second clock up as well. A lot of people on the phones remember avccoins.com. We have the 8 tail feathers there. Yes, somebody asked. Take a peek. avccoins.com. If you're visiting us via the web and this is in your shopping cart at this price, this is going to sell out in the next few minutes. Lots of people on the phones. Thank you. We're bouncing back, so it's not really a busy, but we're getting close. And it's because it's the #1 coin in the world today, the Morgan dollar. How do we prove that? Look at the excitement of the 2024 Morgans that are out right now. These are significantly rarer. These are the first ones ever made. This is the first error. And they're less than the brand new coins. That makes it special. That makes it fun. Join us with this crazy savings.